Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing species diversity. It is an important concept in ecology that helps us understand how varied life is within a particular ecosystem. Species diversity is made up of two components. First is the species richness and second is species evenness. And it is often measured using diversity indices. First is the species richness. It refers to the number of different species present in a given area. For example, if a forest contains 15 different species of plants and animals, its species richness is 15. The higher the number of species, the higher the richness. However, species richness has a limitation. It does not consider how many individuals belong to each species. Second is the species evenness. It describes how equally individuals are distributed among the species. An ecosystem has high evenness when all species have similar population sizes. On the other hand, if one species dominates while others are rare, the ecosystem has low evenness. This means that two ecosystems can have the same species richness but differ in overall diversity because of evenness. The third is the diversity indices. So to better measure biodiversity, scientists use diversity indices which combine both richness and evenness into a single value. Two commonly used indices are the Simpson's Diversity Index and the Shannon-Wiener Index. First, Simpson's Diversity Index, which measures the probability that two randomly selected individuals belong to different species. A higher value indicates greater diversity. Next is the Shannon-Wiener Index, which considers both abundance and evenness and is more sensitive to rare species. Again, a higher value means higher diversity. These indices are more accurate or give more accurate picture of biodiversity compared to richness alone. In summary, species diversity is not just about how many species are present, but also how balanced their populations are. Species richness tells us the number of species. Species evenness shows how equally they are distributed. Diversity indices combine both for more complete measurement. Understanding species diversity is important because ecosystems with high diversity are generally more stable, more resilient, and more capable of supporting life. And thank you, and that concludes my report.